Hi guys, this is DrESkateboard from DrESkateboard. Today we're going to take a look at Matrix 2 trucks, and I've got in order to mount your motors, you'll need a custom motor mount. These I got from Boardnamics. Anyway, so this is where the motor screw is going to go. So the motor is going to sit inside, so you're going to want this side going like these. And I really love how they have a bunch of holes, because when I'm building my custom boards, I'm always drilling holes to get that perfect angle. So this is the Matrix 2 MBS trucks. MBS does not make motor mounts for its trucks, so I got this from Boardnamics. Boardnamics. And let's see how this thing fits. So this one's not it. So one way or another, it's supposed to. Well, let me see. So this should fit perfectly in a certain way. Let me see. I will not imagine. Okay, let me see how this can go. Because this is a little shaped a little funky. It's like a little. It's not like a hexagon. It's just like a sort of an irregular shape. So that's why you're gonna need these mounts. But I need to figure out how this thing mounts on there. I imagine it's sort of up and down. Let me just do the pairs. It's probably somewhat. These are pairs. Probably go like this, and then it mounts onto. Yeah, it should be something like that. See how there's 4 holes? So once you lock it down, you can just go ahead and adjust it any angle you want. So very high quality parts. I just need to figure out how this thing fits, and I think. Let me just double check it doesn't. Well, it's kind of hard to tell. Let me see. Okay, there's 2 shapes like that. Just bear with me here because I just got these. So it seems like almost like a little puzzle. It's a little lopsided, maybe. Give me a sec. Okay, this should fit like this. Maybe like that. I don't know if it's supposed to be a straight fit, but I think this is about right. Let me see. Give me a sec. Let me try to figure this out. So this is the closest I can get it to, and I think it's pretty much like that. All right, I'll have to lock it down, and then it just locks in place. All right, so let me just go ahead and put some screws in there. Just lock it down. This is going to be a really awesome upgrade for my icebox skateboard, because the trucks I'm using are just way too short, and I get some speed wobbles when I'm going kind of fast, and you don't want speed wobbles, obviously. Not even electric. I haven't fallen yet though. I haven't fell yet. Let's check out what screws it comes with. Obviously, this is probably going to use this big screw, nylon screw there. So let me go ahead and just tighten that. I like that. They got some really simple looking parts, not too complicated, pretty easy to figure out, it seems. And let me just go ahead and tighten this a little bit. Oof, this thing is huge. Do I have one? Oh no, I'm gonna have to find one that fits this here. Can I do it without? Okay, but it's a real nice tight fit. Once I screw it down, seems like I'm definitely made for it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I got it in perfect. Just like that. So looking good. Let me go ahead and get some tools here. So, I'm going to go ahead and mount it like this somewhat. And before you tighten it, Let me grab my one with the pulley. You want to obviously put the wheels on and see what kind of clearance you want. So once the wheels go in, just push it all the way in. Ah. Oops. Okay, the wheels are all the way in. And what you want to do is basically figure out where it's going to sit, because your pulley is going to sit, the small pulley is going to sit. So you're going to just want a small gap here. So that's probably what I want. And I can later adjust it, but I've set my mark there. Let me just go ahead and tighten it. Ah. Let me just put a little piece of tape so I know where it is. So you're gonna align, you're gonna push the wheels all the way in, it's free spinning, and you're gonna just leave a little bit of gap. Alright, maybe, I don't know, you can leave it a little bigger, less, more or less. I'll leave it about, I don't know, 5-6 millimeters. I'm gonna put just a quick mark here. You can go ahead and take the wheels back out. Oh, come on. Give me a sec. The wheel's stuck. Why? Oh, here we go. So I've got where I want it to go, which is right about here, right? And I'll probably want to measure it and put it in the same place, but I don't know if this is the exact same place. So I'll measure that out later. And let me just go ahead and tighten this. I don't need this. Yes, girl. I'm okay, thank you. So my daughter asked me for some breakfast. It's nice. Oh, I need a socket. Sorry, I'm just doing this on the fly. I just want to tighten it down a little bit. Why is it doing that? Oh, you know what? Let me just tighten this side up a little bit. I'm just going to tighten it a little bit so it sort of stays in there, just to show you. Okay, a little bit tighter now. And I'm going to make it look even Steven. Okay, it's getting a little tight. Maybe a little too tight. Oh, it's staying in there really nicely. So really like the Boardnamics. There's no screws to deal with. It gets really tight and the angles are just perfect where it just sort of grabs on. So really like that. And I'm not going to tighten it too much because I want to just test it out for fit. So later I'll tighten it down, but that's pretty tight enough. And next, we're going to obviously have to... Oh, you see I missed the mark, so I'll have to undo it now. This is why I should have been paying attention. There we go. So I just loosen it, and I'm just going to tighten it just a tad here. Let me screw it all in there. Oh, I didn't even tighten it that much and it's really solid in there. So right on my mark, and I will probably want to make this somewhat even or slightly outward. And let's see if I can make it slightly outward. Hold on. Let me go look. Let me go look at my current setup. Okay, I'll probably want to just angle slightly down, like this way, because it's gonna actually sit like this, and this is gonna be the end of the board, and it's gonna sit up on the side. It's a drop-down deck, so it doesn't really matter too much, but I'm gonna need to get it to the closest hole that I can use like that. There's 4 holes I can use. And, oh, there we go. I want to be actually a little bit more angled than I want. Or I have to angle it up. So I think that's the closest I'm gonna get. So let me go and grab the screws that it came with. And I think it's these. And how does it go in? Yeah, it just uses nylon nuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and just insert these. 1, 2, 3. I really love how they have so many holes to deal with. Now that only, okay, I got 4. Perfect. So that's gonna hold the motor mount in place. But you see how it's standing really nice. I really like this mount. It's been designed really well. Kudos to those guys at Boardnamics. They're making some real nice precision metals. So really like it. But I'm pretty sure I did everything right. I could be messing stuff up. First time using this mount. So just bear with me because I'm just sort of going based on absolutely nothing other than myself here. Okay, almost done. Also, if you guys have any other motor mounts for MBS, do feel free to let me know, because I've ordered some stuff from Boardnamics and they seem like a pretty good company, pretty solid company. So that's why I ordered this one. And let me go ahead and tighten this a little bit, and we'll go ahead and just do a fit test to show you that it fits. It fits, it ships. Okay, that's looking good. I like how simple this is. Remember I had the Skateboard's trucks and it was super complicated. I like their setup too, but for the board I'm building, I need it like super, you know, I need a board that can just basically be, is that right? Sorry, having technical complications here. I need a board that's a truck that's much longer than Skateboards. I like their stuff, but it's a little too short for, you know, doing stuff like Mountainboard or, you know, special stuff like Icebox Skateboard. Need extra width. Okay, I'm just doing this as a sample, guys. Get the proper tools. I just don't want to grab my other tool there. Finish this up and okay, I'll tighten it down later. I just want to just do a test. Oh, my desk's just getting clobbered. Ooh! Look at that, it won't even fit. Well, today's video isn't really about doing it properly, but I just want to show you how to do the fit test. Let's see if that will fit though. So that will come in right there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I have plenty of room to put the motor here. The motor pulley will come out here. That looks about right. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up, measure it, put it on the other side, and we will put it together. And I'll have another video on that. But yeah, this was Boardnamics. Looks like a very solid motor mount. Really love it. Have a great day, guys. Dr. E signing out. Bye.